How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make things glow or add a glow effect in Krita. So basically, in my case, I'm going to be applying my glow effect right here onto this specific group. Now, first things first, select the layer that you want to apply the glow on, right click on it, and then you want to select the layer style option, which is going to be this one. And here, just make sure that the outer glow is turned on, or if you want to apply an inner glow, you can also do that. But to get it started, you just want to select outer glow, adjust the opacity, noise, and the color itself. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing the color red. Now to make things pop up, as you can see right here, let's adjust the opacity, and same thing with the noise. And then of course, you could also adjust the blend mode to the image or layer right here. So in my case, I'm going to be choosing something like a hard color, so it will then have this glow right here. Once again, you want to adjust this according to your preference, but that's simply how you do it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.